Today we will explain how to add relationship in activities where we have put duration for the activities, and when we put the duration for the activities, uh, Primavera itself assign the dates for these activities. For example, in excavation we have put 10 days and start of the project is 2 March. So Primavera automatically start this activity from 2 March and add 10 days and complete this activity on 7th of the March. So viewers, next activity is compaction, and in this activity we have put a duration of 2 days, and Primavera start this activity from 2 March and ends on 3 March. Same as in footing, we have given duration of 10 days for the completion of footing, and Primavera start this activity from 2 March and ends on 14 of the March. Mean Primavera assigned 12 days from 2 March and finish this activity on 12 March. So what is the problem? As in previous video, I also told you the problem is that Primavera is starting all activities from 2 March because we have given start date of the project to Primavera is 2 March. Because Primavera do not know the relationship between the activities until we give it, because it is very necessary to give the relationship between the activities. So in this video we will learn how to give the relationship between activities. So first of all, viewers, what we have to do, we have to just select the activity, and we have to we have to give successor. Two type of method to give the relationship. I am describing you the simplest method. First of all, select the activity and go to successor. Now you have to assign the activity that will come after the excavation. So definitely after excavation we have compaction. So what will we do? We will select the successor here, and we have assign a relationship, excavation relationship with compaction in successor. After that we will select here to whom activity we want to make the relationship. We have to make with compaction, so click on compaction and click here. Now you can see that compaction added here. Now we will do same for compaction. Now the successor of compaction is footing, so we will select compaction and we will click on assign. After clicking on assign, the compaction successor activity is footing, so we select footing. So you see footing is added here. We will do same for the short column. We will click assign short column. Successor activity is plinth beam, so we have click plus here, and same for the plinth beam. We have assigned backfilling. So most of the activities has been given relationship. Now we will go to the superstructure. Now superstructure, there is a column, and column so ground floor column is linked with the plinth beam. After plinth beam you can start columns. So in this case I also give successor. Column successor is beam and slab, but I also give the predecessor of this activity, so that a link between substructure and superstructure must also be needed here. So I have to put a predecessor here. So I will select on column and I will click on predecessor and I will assign. The column predecessor is plinth beam, because after plinth beam you can start column. So this is a logic that normally uses on side. If you work on side, you definitely know these relationship. Just you have to put here on Primavera. After that, we go to successor. We will select column again. We will come to successor. We will assign. The successor of column is beam and column. So we'll come to beam and column. We will assign successor. Its successor is black masonry. We will come to block masonry. We will assign the successor is luster. Now our ground floor all activities relation has been given. Now we are going to first floor. So now the same situation is here because these are two separate WBS. So we need a predecessor for this column. So if you pour a slab, after slab you can start the column of next floor. So it's mean this column is linked with this, mean the predecessor activity of this column is the beam and slab of ground floor. So what will we do? We will select column, we will go to predecessor, we will select assign, and we will go on ground floor and select beam. So after that we will again select our column, and now we will assign successor for this column. Successor for this column is first floor beam slab. Now we will do for beam and slab, we will select beam and slab, we will select successor and then assign. Its successor activity is block masonry. Now after that we will select block masonry and we will select assign. After assign, baluster. So that is how we have selected all relationship between these activities. Now after giving a relationship between activities, there is a most important thing, that is a relation. Mean for excavation, if we select excavation, the relation between excavation and compaction is FS. FS mean finish start. There are four types. Finish start mean when excavation will finish, then compaction will start. Most of the activities in our construction project are finish start, mean one activity will finish and the second activity will start, but it is not necessary that all activities are finish start. Some activities are like that, and that are also like FF mean finish, mean both activities finish on same time. We also make a relation between two activities that both activities finish on one time. The other relation is start finish. Mean there is a relation in which two activities, one activity will start and the other its successor activity is going to finish. And the last is start. Mean two activity start on same date. These all are possibilities in construction. But most of the time finish start is dominant. Mean more our major activities are finish start. Mean one activity finish, the other activity linked to it will start. But it depend upon, again I am telling you, it depend upon the condition. So assigning relation here you must have side knowledge. So here I have assigned finish start because this will affect your planning here. If you select wrong relation between activities, your planning will be disturbed. So after that, I am checking the other activities. All are assigned in finish start. So after that, I had given a relationship to the activities. Now what we have to do? We have to just schedule it. Now we are scheduling. Now after scheduling, viewers, you can see that our problem has been solved. Our project will start from 2 March and on 17th April. This is substructure. I mean this is overall date for the substructure. But when we will go to the activities, our activities start on 2 March and on 7 March. Then this activity short column will start on 2 March and on 18 March. This activity compaction will start on 9 March and on 10 March. Now all calendar is uh, our calendar is managed by Primavera itself because we have given relationship. And this is the last activity, and our last activity is finishing on 6 March. Our project is starting on 2nd of the March and ending on 6th of the March. So here is the schedule. You can see that here is the schedule. Primavera automatically link these activities. Here you can, if you focus on this arrow started on the end of short column and this is attaching to the plinth beam start. Mean one activity is finishing and other activity is start. Mean short column finish, plinth beam start. This activity is known as finish start. Hope that you have learned a lot of things. The same request that try to play with Primavera. Whenever you will start playing with Primavera, you will learn a lot. Thank you.